now with my why, it felt like a second chance. My why is my family. My why is my striving for purpose all the time.
My motivation is being something, representing myself as something. I've always been into very hands-on, so I've wanted to do something in the male-dominant field, and construction management just stood out. And ever since then, I mean, I've been stuck on it, and so far it still seems like the right choice for me.
So the Y wall is a wall that we have in school where students, when they first enroll and they're going through orientation, have the opportunity to write down their motivation, their inspiration, their why for being in school.
My motivation for school was, well, both a bit of education as well as a better income. I figured as an electrical technician, I could be used anywhere.
My why is because I want to be able to support my family, and me being a first-time parent with my wife, kind of want to build that future for my son and our family later as he grows older.
I had an associate's degree in computing, and the market dried up. And it's like, I can't just sit here and wait for this something to come to me. I have to go out there and go find it. And so the motivation was to me was to be like, I don't want to just wither away and just sit and wait. And I have kids, you know, they're looking at me. And when they get to that point, what are they going to do? And so my motivation was to be an example.
Our curriculum across the board for all trades programs is a very, very intensive curriculum, and it can be tough at times for some students. And there are many times that they walk away from a quiz or a CLO mastery and they're frustrated. Being able to come up to the Y wall to remind themselves and read what their motivation was helps them reset and ground themselves and not be so frustrated, or even remind themselves that the frustration is worth it.
It's always important to have a goal because it allows you to continue to strive for something more. Now that goal may change over time, but ultimately it helps to motivate you.
What motivates me is being able to set an example for not only myself, but my peers too. I like to see growth in other people and also myself, so it kind of motivates me to go ahead and be the best example that I can for myself.
I chose to go back to school because it's my calling. I feel like it's not a second career, but the career.
I'd say the biggest change is the meaning of the word purpose. Definitely, it's working for something bigger than yourself. What I've come to understand about purpose is that it makes you become greater than yourself.